Hello there, friends. Danny here from Danny's Dreams. Just popping in real quick to show the finished card from Sunday's video where I showed masking an image and stenciling over it. The image has had time to dry and I have put it together on a card, and so I just thought I would stop by and share that card and all of its sparkly goodness. I hope the camera picks it up. I just keep looking at it over and over. I just love that Nuvo Moonstone glitter paste, and I really like just the hint of pink underneath this. It just turned out so cute. I chose the Happy Snow Day sentiment to go with it. If you missed that video, I will link it in the description box below, along with all the products I used. This is a Kraftin Kimmie stamp, which is from the Frosty Fun stamp set, and the stencil is the Sweet Snowflakes stencil. Again, all the information will be in the description box below. I just wanted to stop by, share that completed card with you. And there's the inside. I just love how it turned out. The paper is some paper I got from Stamping Up that actually you will be seeing a lot because I love the colors. It is Whimsy and Wonder, again from Stamping Up. All right, I think that's all I have today. Hope you have a great day. If you like what you see, I hope you will subscribe to my channel and click the bell for notifications. Until my next video, thanks so much and have a super crafty day. Go do something for yourself. Get crafty, go crafty shopping, or just sit back and relax. See you soon.